For us, for our family, it's really very monumental, I'd say, no? Kasi itong year 2024, ang daming milestones, personal milestones na sinelebrate ng aming family through our online business, through our business. And isa dun sa biggest blessing for us this year was really reuniting again our family back in Papua New Guinea. Kasi if you can recall, no, ang story namin talaga is really the reason why we started the business. We wanted to be reunited with my overseas working husband in Papua New Guinea, which we already achieved, 5 months into running the business. But then we had my daughter and I had to move back in the Philippines kasi kailangan kong manganak. I had a sensitive pregnancy. And ngayong year kami nakabalik sa PNG. So it was really a big milestone for us kasi finally magkakasama na ulit kami.